Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala and today I am on my way out the door in just a few minutes. So I thought I would turn the camera on and film my get ready, doing my makeup kind of in a few minutes and showing you how I prepare and what makeup I use to throw together. I did put a little bit of thought in like colors and things like that. I am using the Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. This one is so nice. If your face is feeling a little dry, it has that moisturizer effect to it, which is really nice. It is on the lightweight side. I'm using the Nars eye brightener for the eyes. The complexion part is going to be more on the lightweight side today. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Nars in Laguna 01. For blush, this is the Pomelo Peach by Haus Labs. Thought I'd use this Pomelo Peach today because they brought it back in stock and it's been repackaged beautifully, but I thought that I'd use my old one since I loved it from the beginning. And I thought it'd be very appropriate for timing, and Easter is coming up soon. This is my Ilia highlighter. Taking some of this Huda Beauty Pound Cake setting powder onto a puff here and just setting my face. For the lips, I'm using this Chanel lip liner in Rose Natural. For lipstick, I am using M Cosmetics in Rose Nude. And I think that these have been repackaged as well. For gloss, I might just throw over this Eldridge lip gloss in Songbird. For eyeshadow, I wanted to use this Rare Beauty Confident Energy, and I was going to use the gold shade in there. Before I apply that gold shade, I'm just gonna use like a neutral eyeshadow color in the lid, just to sort of set a base, not just the gold. I like to have a little dimension in my crease before going in with a color. Now I'll go in with the gold. Not really sure if these palettes are not coming back anymore. I know that they've repackaged their eyeshadows as well, Rare Beauty. I like this old eyeshadow palette. It was definitely short-lived. I don't know why. The colors are pretty random in the palette, but if you have other palettes, you can kind of mix and match if you do mix, if you like to mix colors. But I sometimes just tend to stick to like one in the palette besides like a crease color. I'm going to use an eyeliner. This is just a brown. Like that, a little something to define the eyes and the eyelashes. I'll throw on my mascara really quick. This is the Clinique one. And those are the eyes all finished. I will use my brow pencil, run it through the brows. The brows are all finished there. I might just throw in a little bit of a shine or a glitter on top of that yellow. So I'm using this ColourPop in Ladybird. Take it on my finger, throw it the center here. Kind of definitely changes the look, but it's really pretty. Kind of makes that yellow more interesting. Gonna bring it into the inner corner as well. This is definitely a super chunky glitter, but I love that. I love all kinds of glitters. And there's the sparkle and the shine. And yes, these type of looks are an everyday look for me. I like the natural, but I love the glitter as well. I think I'll just set my face. And that is the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick get ready with me as I head out the door. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I'd love to have all your thoughts, conversations, and you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.